This is our task. Jaime Esparza and Laura Bernal is about wild forest in Poland. What it makes it a mystery? In a small corner of western Poland, near the town of Gryfino, a rare and rare woodland exists. This bizarre collection of curved trees, named the Crooked Forest, is shrouded in mystery and deposits the numerous different theories that have been proposed over the years. No one truly knows what caused the trees to adopt this conformation.
So next we are going to talk about what do we believe of the mystery in Poland. We believe that the trees could be planted with a different method, and for that, trees are different. We also believe that the second war may be affected with imprints in this area. We think that trees are almost possible in a magic area of witches and elves.
It may be a genetic deformation because the pollution affects all ecosystems. We think that the trees are almost possible in a magic area of witches and elves.
Those trees may not be as common trees as Poland modified them to have a different.
Natural attraction. The trees must stay crooked, otherwise they will die.
Those trees could be crooked due to natural phenomenon in the floor. What has science found?
The most grounded among those seeking answers believe the trees may have simply been buried beneath a terrible snowstorm in their infancy. Others still believe in the gravitational pull in that area has morphed their trunks. Thank you.
Thank you. We are so proud of this work.